the 3 Plus avalanche transceiver from Ortovox. The 3 Plus is Ortovox's mid-range transceiver aimed at most users. Above it you've got the S1 Plus, their most complicated configurable transceiver, and below it you've got the Zoom Plus, which is their entry-level produced on a budget transceiver. Okay, so this is the S1 Plus, which is really the industry standard of a triple antenna digital processor with masking, auto revert and transceiver counting. 3 antennas, 2 of which it can transmit with, and it chooses which one is the best one, and a 3rd antenna which is just used for eliminating overlap and improving the depth. Okay, so this is the transceiver in the unit. So the unit has a lanyard which is permanently attached to it, and then we have the body harness, which is an adjustable strap and a mesh bag. The 3 Plus uses exactly the same harness as the Ortovox S1 Plus. So it is an adjustable shoulder strap with an slightly elasticated waist strap. Really good comfy harness, and the transceiver itself is housed inside a mesh bag. Nice chunky zip puller on the front, making it easy to open, and then your transceiver is inside on a lanyard. So a nice lightweight, comfortable option. The 3 Plus harness. Okay, in use at the bottom of the transceiver we have the power switch, which also is the battery compartment cover. So if I pull the lock switch back and go power on, you can see the unit does its self-test and setup. Okay, it tests everything and then starts transmitting. That's showing you that it's transmitting. There we go. Okay, to turn the unit off, the power switch is locked once it's on. To turn the unit off, I have to pull the selector switch back and go to off. And if I want to access the battery compartment, I have to actually push the the switch in, like, you know, which has got like an additional safety catch, and turn it, and that allows me to access the single AA battery. Okay, so pop that back in. Okay, turn the unit on. The plus part of the 3 Plus means that it uses smart antenna technology. So of its 2 transmitting antenna, the 3 Plus can choose which one will make it easiest for you to be located by someone who is searching for you. Okay, and you see the back, you've got the distinctive sort of 2 hump shape in the case. So on one side we have the battery, and on the other side this is the primary antenna of the transceiver. Okay, so the 3 Plus has a 40-meter search strip width. Okay, so I'd get it out of the harness like that when I was using it, and on the top here we've got 2 arrows and 2 little sort of switches. So if I pull those apart with my fingers, a button pops up. Again from the front, button pops up, okay, and that puts the transceiver into search mode. Okay, so that dot shows, those 2 dots are like I'm searching but I'm not receiving anything, and it's drawing a little coarse search pattern for me, reminding me that's what I'm supposed to be doing next. Okay, and that what you saw before, that little bit of signal, was just a bit of electromagnetic interference. Okay, if I'm searching and I want to go back into transmit mode, I just push the button down on the top. Okay, if I'm searching and I find one transceiver, I want to start thinking about that one and look for any other signals, I've got this mark button on the front. with now a pretty industry standard flag on it. So I can mark a transceiver. If I want to clear the marks, I have to go into transmit mode and then back into search. That's all there is on the 3 Plus. No other buttons or options. It's a pretty much automatic point and shoot avalanche transceiver. Okay, that's the 3 Plus from Ortovox.